Well, hello there. My name is Eric, and I have the privilege of sharing a brand new disruptive concept with you called Tranzactcard. You're literally one of the first people in the country to hear about it. We appreciate your time. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you two main ideas. Number one, we're going to show every household in America a way that they can double their buying power. And then we'll also share an optional financial opportunity that many of us are really excited about. So let's start off with the evolution of banking. You might be saying, banking, what's fun about banking? Well, friends, with Tranzactcard, we're not only going to disrupt the way people think about banking, but some other big industries as well. And as entrepreneurs, we know trends are our friends. So specifically, when you look at banking, going from the brick and mortar banks through the internet banking, mobile banking, app-based banking. Now the big buzzword that you'll likely hear more and more about is this idea of Finmo banking or financial momentum banking. And essentially all that means is showing people a way to take a dollar and stretch its value as far as possible within a financial ecosystem. And friends, Tranzactcard is that safe, secure, fintech financial ecosystem. What are we really talking about here? You see that green Visa bank card there? That is our Tranzact card. Our goal is to get that into the hands of lots of American households in the years ahead. What makes it special, you might be asking? Well, when you set up a Tranzact card, you're going to go through a KYC process and you're going to set up a real FDIC insured checking account with one of our community banking partners. You can then load as little or as much money as you want from your primary account into your Tranzactcard checking account. You can do this through ACH transfer. You can do an e-check. You can even do a debit card pull. You can actually activate up to 5 cards per account. I have one for my wife, my kids. You can set spending limits on it, and you can track through all the notifications of what's going on. And you're probably asking yourself, why would I do that? I've already got all these other cards in my wallet. Well, friends, with Tranzactcard, we're going to give you a one-to-one dual currency that you'll be able to use within our ecosystem. We call our currency Z-Bucks. Think of those like a coupon, and it's real simple to understand. So you go and gas up your car for $70. You use your Tranzact card, you get 70 Z-Bucks. You go get a coffee for $6. You use your Tranzact card, you get 6 Z-Bucks. Pay your utility bills, go out for date night, you get it. It's a one-to-one. And then the next question is always, what can I do with a Z-Buck? Well, the power of Z-Bucks will lie in our very own e-commerce platform that we call Z Club. And we are currently building and scaling all the way up until our official launch in November. At that time, you can expect to see millions and millions of your favorite product SKUs. Maybe it's shoes, all the way to diapers and everything in between. You'll be able to use those Z-Bucks to bring the price down significantly. So you see a pair of your favorite shoes, they're $100 on Z Club, they're $100 on any other online or offline platform, but here you can use 50 Z-Bucks to bring the price down 50%. Getting down to the real power of our platform, showing a single mom how to buy diapers and other items at a greatly reduced cost using those Z-Bucks. What did you have to do to get those Z-Bucks? All you had to do was go out and buy the items that you want or had to buy anyway, each and every day. A big question we hear is, what kind of brands can I expect to see on the Z Club when it officially launches? All the stuff you're used to or expect to see, your favorite name brand items right on our very own Z Club e-commerce platform. But it gets better. We want to make this really engaging, really fun. We're going to have flash sales. In fact, we've already started having flash sales with some of your favorite items. The difference with flash sales is your cash is not good here. Z-Bucks only to buy those items. So you might see your favorite sunglasses or purse or laptop, computer, first come, first serve, use all your Z-Bucks, pay a little bit of shipping and handling, have those delivered right to your doorstep. As I mentioned, we've already started having some awesome flash sales. You see some of our members there enjoying Nike bags, computer backpacks, PowerBeats Pro speakers, and on and on and on. So this is a really exciting feature as part of your membership. But what if you could swipe your way to your next vacation? How cool would that be? As we officially launch our Z Club into November, our goal is to have great vacations like cruises where you can use Z-Bucks to get onto that cruise ship. Imagine a cruise takeover with lots of fun people who used Z-Bucks to get on that cruise ship. But what you'll come to find is that we really are a social impact enterprise. We want to help more and more Americans enhance their financial literacy. So we're working on our own Power Save account that will go live by time we officially launch in November. And there's different ways to add to this Power Save account. We've taken some of the best features you've seen with other credit cards or fintech platforms where you can round up on your purchases and put that difference into your Power Save account. Maybe you go to one of your favorite fast food or retailers and have a percentage of that bill that goes into your Power Save account. As you're using those Z-Bucks on the Z Club, a portion of that will go into your Power Save account as well. Really cool to be able to offer more and more Americans a real nest egg that can grow and compound over time. $25 gets you a Tranzact card to get you all the banking platform benefits I just described. And as soon as you make your first transaction, it might just be for $1 or $2, you will get 500 Z-Bucks. After your first year, it's going to be $5 per month or $47.50 annually. There's no contracts, there's no commitments. We're confident that you're going to love it. For those that join before November, you're going to double your Z-Bucks on every purchase for your first entire year, all the way from now until November of 2024. We'll double your Z-Bucks. Believe it or not, some of us already have tens of thousands of Z-Bucks accrued. Also, we just announced a brand new special offer. Those who get a Tranzact card before November, you're never going to have to pay an annual renewal of any kind. So $25 and you're in for life. And Tranzact card members will have the ability to refer others as we get closer to our official launch. Imagine being able to tell your friends, your family, and when they choose to participate, you will get 500 Z-Bucks after they make their first transaction with their own Tranzact card. So how do we share this unique concept with America? We've talked about becoming a Tranzact card member, and then eventually closer to official launch, being able to refer others into our financial ecosystem as well. Let's talk about the next core pillar, and that's becoming your own digital branch office and building out a community. We see this as a really powerful financial opportunity for those who might be open to it. It's $495. And then it's going to be $150 a month. Think of that like your business overhead expense. The $150 a month will not go into effect until November. Becoming your own digital branch office, you have the right to receive commissions on Tranzact card transactions in your community. You have marketing support, you have training. Truly, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. This is the part I want you to pay close attention to. If this really clicks for you like it did for me, you might have a hard time sleeping for the next few months. I've always said the holy grail of entrepreneurship would be if somebody, somehow, some way could figure out a way for us to get paid each and every time the people we're connected with make those everyday purchases that they want or have to buy each and every day, multiple times a day for the rest of their lives. Tranzactcard, because of our relationship with the community banks, has figured it out. All the Tranzactcard members that are out in the marketplace are going to get linked back through digital branch offices. On average, it's going to be 10 to 20 basis points. That might not seem like a lot, but think about all these transactions that are getting made every single day, all day long, that could be tied back to your digital branch office. 6 cents here, perhaps 8 cents there, 22 cents here, over and over and over, paid in cash to the digital branch offices that they are linked back to. You see a simple example right here with Erica. You can go out and sponsor 3 others who also want to own their own digital branch office, which creates 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 more Tranzactcard members. You can choose to do that yourself, totally up to you, but we have a simple system of success to show you how to start generating more and more revenue based off the number of Tranzactcard members that are created throughout your digital branch community. And as you continue to grow and share, and the DBOs that you personally sponsor continue to grow and share with more Tranzactcard members, you can create a compound effect where lots and lots of Tranzactcard members are created throughout your digital branch community. And obviously, the more Tranzactcard members you have out there swiping their cards, the greater the interchange commissions become if you choose to put the work into it. So you've heard enough from me. I want you to hear from some of my friends. Some are brand new friends who've caught the vision, and they're going to share with us why in the world they said yes to this unique concept.